So we start off today's video with this amazing bob transformation. Here she has this shoulder length head full of hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into a beautiful angled bob style. Absolutely amazing. She looks beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out a variety of hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been dreaming of a new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous bob transformation. This one features some bangs in the front. I absolutely love her copper hair color, so pretty. And then we move into a hair color transformation. So she has blonde hair, and just like that, she is now platinum. Such a gorgeous color. Loving the pixie style as well. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And it looks like the stylist is going to do another bob for this one. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. I love the side swept angle bangs that she has going there. And this is more of like a pixie bob shape or mini bob. Absolutely stunning. And then we move on to someone who has pretty long hair. I'd say about waist length or so. She has decided to keep things fresh with this beautiful mid-length haircut. Gorgeous. So it looks like the stylist is doing a nice pixie refresh for this particular transformation. I love the feathered pieciness of this pixie. Her hair is so thick and full, and I think it is really enhanced by the color. Just so glamorous. What a flawless pixie haircut. So it looks like the stylist is adding in some bangs for this next cut. Beautiful bowl shape bob style. So I would say that this is more of a pixie bob. It's very short in the back, full bangs in the front, lots of texture and layers, creating a nice amount of movement. Very pretty. So here we have another volumized pixie bob haircut. Full bangs in the front. Once again, this does have that feathered bang look that really creates a gorgeous texture throughout the cut and adds a nice amount of volume to the hair. Wow, what a beautiful angled bob. Absolutely gorgeous transformation, so pretty. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.